grade 7. So when we start off with a new drawing, make sure it's in meters, and you can click on person, get rid of her. So let's go over the quick basics with a box. Click on a square and then just draw your rectangular type shape, and then you've got an extrude button here. Click on extrude and then just raise up for your bird box. So now if we want that slope style roof, we can click on move, and then we can just grab an edge, and then we can just drag that edge down to slope that either way, top to bottom. And I will just leave it like that, and then I will grab a line. Now then, these tools here won't be on your document. What you'll have to do is right click and go to customize toolbar, and you can drag on whatever you like. So I just dragged on that one onto the top. So that's how to do that. And so I now have a look at my right hand view, and I'm going to draw a line. You can see it goes red from there, and then press escape. I'll draw another line which is in line, and I will then put some thickness on to the top and then to the bottom. Go back to the 3D view here, and then click on your extrude function, and you can extrude your roof across. So I'll just have a look at the front, just so it goes across like so. And then if I want to turn it, if I want to extrude any other side that I like, so this one, just the same, bring the edge off like that. And then click on the rotate function, excuse me, and there you've got your basics of your roof. Now, if you've got an A-style roof, we'll just do the same video. So click on your edge line, run that along, and then create your more of a rectangular shape, and then extrude that one up. Now what you want to do is you want to mark a line, run it along, and you'll get this center point appear in a green midpoint. So click, and then just click across to the midpoint, and then you can use the move tool to move your roof up. And if it's wobbling from side to side, you can have a look at the front. That one, you can just make sure that you've got that nicely centered, and then click on your home. So what I'd like to do now is I'd like to put on a roof, a proper roof. So push pull, and then just drag that up, and then click on the underneath, and then drag that one down. Now you've got a view. Let's have a look what we've got. View, draw, view, edit, view, tool palettes, guides, edge style. We'll leave that for a minute. And then what we'll do is we'll look at the front, and then we'll drag the next one out. We'll twist that slightly. We'll twist that slightly. And then I'm going to drag out again, press pull. Going to drag that out. But have a look at the front view in the meantime, see if I can get the same type of proportion. And you can probably just move it across to that line. There we go. And then drag out the underneath again. And then just drag that one out as well. So you get the idea of your. And if you want to use the line tool just to fill that in, and then you can drag that with the push pull, and that will drag across to the edge. Just hold it near the edge and it will click on the edge. There you go. And you can use the erase tool just to click on there. I'm going to Command Z. I will need to leave those on because I need a line from here to here, and then from here to here, and then again I can press pull And then just click on that edge so it comes level, and that one, bring that one forward. So there I've got my basics. Nice and simple, nice and easy. So now I need to put a circle on the front. So click on the circle, find the midpoint, comes along and it just draws up a line for the midpoint. Draw out your shape and then press pull like so, push that back in and then just select the back. Has that gone in or out? It's gone out. So go in and then you can delete the back, press backspace, and then you've got your hole. So there are some of the basics. Now then, you can then change your views. So if you go to window at the top and you can go to shadows, and you can bring your shadows on first. There you go, and you can turn that around. Let's have a look, see if we got some more. There you go, so we can use shadows, light and dark. What else we got on the windows? We got materials, so we can put some wood on the front, put some wood on the sides. Click on roof, we've got a roof, put some kind of funky roofing on here. And then we can have a look at window and styles. We can go for styles and we can change the type of line. So for example here, I can go for sketchy edges. So I can get things like that. I can use this tool here. And then if you want to go back to your window and you want to get some materials, you can start putting back on your materials. That work? Maybe not. Anyway, have a mess around with that.